Right behind me here, we are in Westlands, in one of the most sought addresses, bringing to you a prime project just off Peponi Road, steps to Westgate Mall and Sarit Center. So you may be wondering why this project. This project is going to be ideal for you, and I have a question for you that I want you to watch out before the video ends. Does size really matter when it comes to returns? By the end of this project is complete, you'll be seeing 25 floors of 840 units, total of 2 blocks sitting on a 1-acre land consisting of 1 and 2 bedrooms. This is the project for you. I know what you're thinking, right? It's a shell, right? But this is where I wanted you to be right now, so that you can see the bones before the finishes and the paintings go in. Right now on that block, that is block A, which is direct neighbor to the Westgate Mall, and I am standing on block B, showing you the 20 meters distance between me and my direct neighbor, and I can still have views of Westlands. All right, so even as you're internalizing that, I want to tell you more about this project. You're not going to be buying into that shell or the finishes that you're seeing just right behind me. You will be buying an address. The project is in Westlands along Peponi Road, just walking distance to the Westgate Mall and the Sarit Center. And for your wellness, of course, we have a spa, a yoga, a jacuzzi, and services that can be able to help you to unwind. If you are a business person, we have conference rooms and a business center that you can enjoy your time. And of course, for your fitness, we have a gym. We also have a tennis and a padel court. For security, of course, we have 24-hour security, CCTV, and services that you can be able to benefit here while you're in this project. And finally, for your pocket, you have a flexible payment plan of currently 22 months till March 2028. I'm telling you, here you're buying into an address, not just a project. All right, and before I continue, I just want you to have something in mind. Does size really matter when it comes to investment? When you're making an investment, do you look at the size of the unit, or what do you keep in mind as your top? And by the end of this video, you will wonder why I was asking that. Okay, so let me take you through this. I am in a 2-bedroom unit, 113 square meter of space that comes with a smart lock entrance, as I said, with a fingerprint card or key, and it leads you into this open plan kitchen on this side. On this side, you have the open plan kitchen that gives you a granite countertop. You have your sink area. The unit comes with a hood, cooker, and an oven, plus as you buy the unit. And then on this side, they've provided you with a place where you can have your fridge and your microwave that don't come with the unit. And the good thing is they've provided you with an island. So this island, you can use it as your breakfast space, or you can again also do away with it and put your big dining table if you prefer. And on this side, they've given you an idea where you can have your shoe rack or your storage space. So this space is quite affordable in terms of the price, because even as you're looking at this space, this is a 2-bedroom that's going to fetch you easily 150,000 per month if you're renting it out. And this is the living space area where you can fit a couch here. This is a almost 4-seater, but you can also play around with the space depending on your furnitures that you have. On that side, you can see the finishes on the wall. Here is where you can have your TV palette. You can be able to place your TV, and as you can see, this I think it's almost 60-inch TV or more. You can do it on this side. It comes with the gypsum lightings and the drop-down lights, as well as these lights, as you can see here. So when you come from the living room, it doubles up to the balcony where I started, where you can also do it as your laundry space. There is provided with a huge balcony space. You can do it as your laundry and as well as your chill area, which is very sufficient. And I want to take you to the bedroom. So before I take you to the bedroom, this unit for you as an investor, I could tell you we have 2 types of 2 bedrooms, the 113 square meters and 142 square meters. For me, if you ask me, this is ideal for a small family that is starting up. your tenant that is starting up in Westlands, just with a small family, and they want a place where it's close to business centers, close to schools, of course, for their children, and this one right here is going to serve them well. One of the good things is you get to enjoy your secondary bedroom with a shared bathroom on this side. The bathroom and the toilet seat is on that side, and when you come, there's a good orientation of the unit because of this curved windows. So this curved window is based on the orientation of the project outside to ensure each unit has maximum lighting and gets lighting on and views on each direction. So you have this curved window, large window, providing you with natural lighting. Here you have a space where you can have a seat. That's to show you how big this room is, because you already have a bed fitted over here. This is around a 5x6 bed, giving you a lot of space, and you have a bedside table you can do on that side and that side. And then we come to the closet space. I like the way they've done their wardrobe. This is the clear glass, which just gives some aesthetics, I know. And then here you have more storage space as well as on this side. So as I said, if this is a secondary bedroom, this can comfortably fit a small family. If they have children, they can put them here. If they prefer, they can have the double decker if they're small children, to be able to just have a private room for their children. And then, as I told you, this is the common washroom that's going to be shared. You have your water closet on this side, and this bathroom space is actually big. Here we can fit two of my size here, I know. And then when you come on this side, this is where you have your water closet, you have your towel rack, and here is a sink for your guests, and as well for someone who will just use the washroom. They get this mirror and a medicine cabinet over here. They provided you also with socketry here for anything that you may want to use, like shavers, you name it. Okay, and now I want to take you to the epitome of this house, which is the master bedroom. One of the good things, it's privately assigned in its own corner. So when you walk in, you're welcomed by your master washroom, which has a medicine cabinet over here and a smart mirror. And then this is your sink area. You have your water closet, and of course a spacious bathroom space on this side. The good thing about the doors that have made them translucent, the one that you cannot see anyone inside, and as well they have maximized on the space. Then welcome to your master bedroom. As an owner of this unit, you'll be enjoying the luxury of this space. Okay, this is a space that you can be able to enjoy and unwind yourself. You've been given a space where you can add a couch here, where you're doing your readings or you're just enjoying, because as well you can see the windows are curved. Okay, the window on that side is curved, and you also have another window on this side. Okay, so this means that you get to enjoy maximum lighting on this house. As you can see right now, it's just a bit cloudy. All of you right now know Nairobi is a bit cloudy, but you can see see and acknowledge the lighting that is coming with this unit. And here, this is a king size bed, and you can fit even a queen size bed if you prefer. They provided you with an extra space where you can do your working here if you have your work that you need to finish. As I said, the ideal person for this will be a small family, and if you're an investor, this will get a perfect target market, because this place attracts diplomats, experts, people working here in Westlands, remote workers, you name it. So this place will be very ideal and will get you a guaranteed tenant. Okay, so come, let me take you, even as I'm telling you much about the prices, keep in mind the question I asked you: does size really matter when you're making this investment? You'll get to know why I'm asking that. And just before we proceed, I wanted to give you more information on the pricing and the payment plan. So for the 2-bedroom, this one that we am, the 113 square meters, it's going to be priced at 13.27 to around 15.73, which is quite affordable. So the higher floors are priced higher. That means you're going to be able to do just a deposit of from 2.6 million, and then the rest you can spread all the way for 22 months till March 2028, which is very ideal. If you're looking at the bigger size of the 2-bedroom, the price is between 16.1 and 19.2, which is actually also good for your pocket and the flexibility in payment plan. So now, right now, I'm going to take you to the 1-bedroom that I told you has a very special thing in my heart that I want you to see by the end of this video. So don't drop off and stay tuned. This is the 1-bedroom 52 square meters, small on paper, right? But I asked you, does size really matter on your return? Hold on to that thought, because you're not done yet. By the end of this video, you'll get to know why I'm asking that. Again, open plan kitchen, a living room, a bedroom, a bathroom is all what your tenant needs. And who is your tenant? Your tenant is an expert, a young professional, a diplomat, someone who's working along Westlands Road or close to CBD, wants amenities, wants a place that gives them all that they need. And here is what they need. And this kind of tenant pays on time and pays very well. And here is why they're going to do that. So when you enter, this is a very beautiful thing I want to show you, but I'll save it for the last. But on this side, you have your kitchen space with the granite countertop, again with the sink area. As I told you previously, it comes with a cook oven and the hood extractor, which is a very good ideal addition for the tenant. As I've told you, they have everything they need here. You have ample storage space on top, and on below here you can be able to do your microwave. On this side, they've given them an ample place they can call their dining. For this one bedroom, they can have this as a bar-stool countertop, or they can put their dining here. They've been provided with a very good space of the living room, because here you can fit a 3-seater or a 2-seater. On this side, they have their TV panel where they can be able to put their television. Again, I keep telling you, the ideal tenant is gonna love this unit. The reason why I'm asking you, does size matter? 52 square meters for a 1-bedroom is not one of the biggest 1-bedrooms you'll find in Westlands. I know, but there are many properties in Westlands, but this one gives you a perfect address if you're talking about Westlands, because we are directly opposite Westgate. And the ideal bit about it, there's something that this unit comes with that is not in all the 1-bedrooms here in Westlands. I will show you. So when you come here, this is your bedroom space. I like that they've given you a partition over here. So this one is like an idea from partitioning a studio unit, not the one that you have a bedroom that is set aside. So for this one, we could call it an elevated studio. Sorry to say that, but this is a 1-bedroom because you partition on that side. Here you have your bedroom. You can leave it open or you can put it completely sealed. Here you have a 5x6 bed that covers this whole space. You've been given the socketry on this side and on this side. And just imagine waking up and these are your views towards Westlands. I am on the first floor. I can already see Hayat and Movenpick over there. So I'm picturing if you get 3rd, 4th, all the way, because you're going all the way till 25th floor, the views that you're going to be getting. Remember, we are currently on the 18th floor of construction. We are heading towards the 25th floor. Once you're done with the shell, you're going to start the finishes and you're going to go back down, and the completion date is on March 2028. So if I were you, I don't know why you wouldn't be interested in coming to this project, because about this 1-bedroom, I told you, it gives the tenant who pays fast and on time, because they're going to be enjoying everything besides the amenities. So come, let me show you one thing that is very, very, very unique and rare and has not been seen in any project in Westlands, which is in the bathroom for a 1-bedroom. Usually 1-bedroom just gets a small space, what they call a bathroom space, water closet, bathroom. But come, let me show you. So when you enter here, you're going to have your water closet, which is okay, a water closet here, and then you have your rain shower space over there, which is also ideal. And if you're not a fan of a rain shower, guess what they provide you with? A bathtub. I'll let that sink in for a moment. Yeah, I know you're asking why the 2-bedroom doesn't have a bathtub. Why are we having it in a 1-bedroom? Why is it there? I know, but that's the uniqueness about this project. They have specifically chosen and identified this 1-bedroom unit, 52 square meters of size, as one of the best selling points in this project, and they have ensured that they have prioritized it to have the best finishes, including that bathtub. That bathtub is going to guarantee you, a tenant, that they have all the experience that they get from a hotel in this project. If they want a hotel lobby, they want a rooftop lounge, clubhouse, a spa, jacuzzi, tennis, paddle, gym, you name it, you may end up living here yourself. I believe that. And if you're doing a furnished business, this is going to be one of the top selling, because people will prefer staying here for short-term or long-term stays if they're traveling in. You trust me. Okay, so now I want to sit down and take you through some numbers as we conclude the video, because this is the most important thing for you as an investor, because I promised you an answer by the end of this video, and it was because if size matters to your returns. Yes, size is a very good ideal thing to consider when you're looking at returns and investment. But let's talk about this. So Westlands rental market, the one bedrooms are categorized because of their premium finishes, all the size that matters, the project, the amenities, and here you get to enjoy an ensuite, a bathtub. Your tenant is going to be paying you an average of 70 to 90,000 per month. So if you're getting on a higher floor, you can easily get this unit to be renting at that price, because let me not shock you, here in Westlands, people are paying upwards of 90,000 for a one bedroom unit, same size as this. So this is the minimum projection. I like giving you the minimum projection so that not to think ambiguously in what you're making in terms of a decision. But trust me, once you enter here, you're going to be getting returns that double up. So what does that mean for you as a buyer? So when you're looking at the pricing and the entry point, so if you want to get a better entry point, there's a smaller one bedroom unit that you can get in at 5 million, but this is the second size of the one bedroom, which is going from 6.1 million, and the price for the 6.1 million, you're able to do a deposit of 20%. That's just around 1.22 million. I mean, that's affordable to start with, and spread the rest within 22 months of payment plan till March 2028. So the balance will be 4.88. You'll spread it all the way till March 2028, and that gives you an average of 222,000 per month for 22 months. That is quite ideal. And you can also do quarterly payment or lump sum payment. If you come with a higher deposit, you get a better discount. Of course, I keep advising you to come with a higher deposit fee. So now, as I'm concluding this video, I just wanted to answer you now. Yes, size does really matter when it comes to returns, because of course, a bigger unit is serving the tenant that you are targeting. But again, one of the major things that your tenant is looking for is convenience, lifestyle, and luxury. And this project is providing all that. So the size doesn't really matter here. It's actually the experience, the living that they're going to be getting here. Your tenant here in Westlands, the expert, the one who's working along the UN corridor, the Gigiri Road, CBD, Wayakiwe, the tenant is actually waiting for you to make the move, because they are ready to come and pay you and return the investment that you will have made. I have been your host, Joshua. This has been a marvelous experience here in Westlands. We have many other properties. You can always go back and check. If you are an interested investor, if you are a buyer, if you are looking for a home, the number is on the screen. Give us a call and we can take you through. If you want to come and argue with me about the size matters in terms of investment, I'm inviting you to come for a site viewing and we can debate on this. Till the next one, bye.